Well, hey family, this is Darlene. My plan was to kick back for the weekend and just watch movies. That didn't work out. I watched a couple of movies and I said, okay, well, I can't just watch movies. I just, I can't do it. Something about relaxing and kicking back and doing all that just don't work for me. So I got up and came in here in my workroom and created a couple of necklaces. I like the way this came out. If you guys remember, I did a video some time back, I don't know, a month maybe, where I got this pendant from one of the craft stores. And I wasn't really sure what I was going to do with it. So I said, you know what? I do have the colorful beads, the ones that I painted. And I think I could match the pendant with the beads. And I think it came out really nice. And then I even put some of the red beads that I painted up here, some of those little metal beads, some glass beads, the color beads, and then just some natural stone beads right there, some shells, and then this is coconut shells, and then made one of the little gold wire accents and got that on there, and then this is how it came out. I like the way it came out. It came out really nice. And this is one I would just wear. I mean, I love this because I'm looking at it. I'm like, I would definitely wear this. Like, really wear just about everything I make. I'd be like, I will really wear this. Um, I like it. Came out really nice. So this is one of the second pieces. But I hope everybody is having a really good weekend. Wanted to stop by like really quick and just kind of show the couple of pieces that I was working on. And this is one of them. And thank you to all the new subscribers. We do got some new subscribers, and I hope you guys are picking up some really good jewelry making tips, some jewelry making ideas. And I didn't videotape this one because it's a quickie. All it is, the pendant was already made. I just made the wire accent, and there's a video on the channel that shows how to make that. And I basically just strung the beads, and this would have took all of like maybe 5 minutes to do. And I was just like, nah, it's nothing really to see other than me stringing the beads onto to the wire and closing the wire off. So I figured it would be more of a jewelry making idea, just giving you an idea. I really like the way it came out, though. I mean, I really like this. The other one I like too, but this is going in my fair store. And all right, people, be sure to enjoy the rest of your weekend. We'll talk soon.